Mheshimiwa Rais.
Namba ya ciana iria ikoretwo ikiamukira njanjo ya murimu wa polio irugamiire gicunji kia mirongo inana hari igana. Thirikari igitanya namba ino kuongerereka nginyagia gicunji kia mirongo kenda muthini wa thiku igana rimwe ciukite kuria Makiria ya ciana 400 itanyitwo kwamukira njanjo ino. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria Kambi-ini ino muthenya wa umuthi, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni ateterithitie bata wa njanjo ino akiuga thengio ya kugitira ciana kumana na mirimu ni kinya aria bata hari gukinyaniria ugima mwega wa mwiri kuri a Kenya othe giki ari kimwe kia ituge cia Kenya.
Indeed, the failure to immunize children will not only undermine the health and human dignity, but will also occasion national risks such as disease outbreaks.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni oritie ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kurutithania wira na ministry ya githomo hamwe na thirikari cia matura gutigirira ciana iria ciri mathukuru ni ciamukira njanjo ino.
I urge the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Education to work closely with all our county governments to put in place measures to ensure that all our children will be vaccinated by the time they join school.
Ihinda-ini riu mutongoria wa bururi ni akidirira gutumwo kwa arigitani igana rimwe kuma bururi wa Cuba thiini wa kaunti ciothe 47 kuria atugirite mubango uyu akiuga ni ukugacirithia utungata wa arigitani guku bururi-ini.
Ladies and gentlemen, our doctor to patient ratio of 1 doctor to every 16,000 Kenyans continues, however, to be an obstacle towards achieving universal health care coverage.
Miario ya mutongoria wa bururi ni nyititwo mbaru ni minister wa ugima wa mwiri Cecily Kariuki akiuga ministry yake ni haririe kurutithania wira na arigitani aya niguo kurehe ugaciru ruhonge-ini ruru.
We look forward to learning from you, our colleagues from Cuba. We look forward to you mentoring our colleagues in the counties. We especially look forward to learning from you on the provision of primary health care, which is going to be a major driver of universal health coverage.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Wanjogu wa Wachira.